The 1959 Cadillac Coupe de Ville, customized by Raymond Loewy, stands as one of the most radical and personal automotive statements ever made by an industrial designer. Loewy, widely regarded as the father of industrial design, was known for his philosophy of speed, beauty, and simplicity, summarized by his famous motto, "Never leave well enough alone." While he achieved mass production success with designs for Studebaker, including the Starliner and Avanti, this Cadillac was created purely for himself, without compromise. After completing work on a custom BMW 507, Loewy selected a new 1959 Cadillac Eldorado Coupe de Ville, primarily for its advanced platform, not its appearance. He strongly disliked the excessive chrome, oversized grille, and dramatic tailfins that defined Cadillac styling in 1959. Immediately after purchase, the car was shipped to France and delivered to Pichon-Parat, a small coach-building atelier in Sens, operated by Bernard Pichon and André Perrat. Loewy personally participated in the redesign, reportedly removing approximately 70 kilograms, about 154 pounds of chrome trim. The transformation was extensive. Only the roof, doors, glass, headlights, and two of the original four taillights remained. The tail fins were eliminated, and the remaining taillights were repositioned centrally on the rear fenders. The original grille was replaced by a painted panel perforated with small ventilation holes integrated into the hood, a highly unusual solution at the time. Peugeot taillights and Studebaker wheel covers were used. The interior, engine, and chassis remained stock. The finished car was painted light gray-green metallic with a white roof and debuted at the 1959 Paris Auto Salon. Although it's restrained, European-influenced lines contrasted sharply with American luxury design norms. The car anticipated styling trends of the 1960s. Loewy used the Cadillac extensively for family travel across Europe before shipping it back to the United States. It later resided in New York and Palm Springs, where it was eventually repainted gold, likely under Loewy's ownership. After accumulating approximately 41,000 kilometers, about 25,500 miles, Loewy sold the car in January 1971 to his neighbor, collector Mimosa Curry. The Cadillac then disappeared from public view for decades before resurfacing and eventually appearing at auction, cementing its status as a unique, controversial, and historically significant one-off automobile that embodied Loewy's uncompromising design vision.